Hey guys, Sarge here. Wow, the generosity in this community blows me away. This is update number 2 for the paying it forward go. I had no clue I was gonna make a snowball out of this. It's insane. I'm stunned. I'm stunned. So earlier today, I posted a video showing this beautiful acai bar that I'm giving up, and I love this bar, and that's what makes it sweeter to give it away, is that I like it. So it makes it that much more special to give it away to a new stacker. So that being said, the reason I'm making a second update is not because of me. When I tell you the generosity in this community is insane, well, here's a little something. This gentleman here, Tyler's World Coins, I'm going to put the link down at the bottom. Guys, he just sent me an email, and he asked if he could join in the GAW, because he was going to give a Britannia ounce. Dang. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, sir. Another prime example of the generosity in this community. Insane. I didn't start this I didn't do this to have other people jump in and throw stuff in. I did it because I just wanted to pay it forward. It blows me away. You see how it's a prevalent feeling along the community to care for other members and to care for others. It's insane. Tyler, my man, hats off. I tip my hat off to you. Thank you, bud, for joining in. You, Cheshire Keith, Silver Soldier of Fortune, guys, awesome. Anyhow, so here you go. Now there's 4 ounces of silver in that GAW. Guys, if you know anybody who can benefit from this, tell them to join. Remember, there's only one rule. Only one. Make a video of your small stack, less than 25 ounces, and post it on my video where I announce the paying it forward. That's it. That's the only rule. Show me what you got. That's all I want to know. Thanks. Cheers. Sarge out.